I'm dying to see you. Got me waiting on my...
Does this look like it's filming like in the right direction? I can't check it. Like, does it look like it's capturing where I'm looking?
Yes.
Can I see your big dumb head?
I know you're probably itching to get stuck in there, but you don't know anything, so... Where's the other torch at? I'm making up. It smells like cheese and bacon shapes, cuz.
What?
Oh.
What does it taste like?
I need to lay off the peyote. Good thing too, this hose clamp wasn't even tight.
Real?
Yeah.
On the fuel hose?
Yeah. Going to the fuel
This is a
filter.
good car, eh?
It's fucking killer.
Heaps of safe things about it.
Man.
Never catches fire, not even twice.
Oh. That's how you know you got a good car.
Yeah, it never blows up.
Oh,
I think I've driven it 4 times. What have I done? A diff?
half of those times it's caught on fire.
Legit. Drifting's fun. I was going to try and take this line off, and then Luke, I just came up with this whole good idea by myself. Lucas had nothing to do with it. Why don't I just take the pump off of the motor?
Do you know how to take a drive belt off?
Grow up. Yeah. Just got to drive it.
I can't even tell you to jog along now.
I got a battery ratchet, say. Do you need this with a 12 or a 10 or something?
I need to put this one on it.
Yes, boss. Look at me, I can take out a power steering pump off.
So that goes there.
On your necklace?
What else have we got?
Oh, she looks pretty fresh, brother.
So that fuel line can stay on there. Are you going to do an LS alternator
Grow
swap
up.
on this as well?
Why the f could I do that?
Try output on it.
Yeah, I don't need it, mate. If it breaks, I'll do it, okay? That's my rule. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's why we're pulling the motor out and rebuilding everything.
Push the car off the axle stand.
Nah, yeah. I'm happy to spend money when I need to, but I don't want to start buying things I don't absolutely have to, because it'll blow out and I'll build the car for 2 years like every other car I have and never drive it.
That's what you want. That's real mechanics right there.
Everything's loose on this, eh, man? Oh, you bastard.
Pretty much a firefighter now, though. You know that, right?
Oh.
Saving lives and fucking
Smoking while
lives.
you're done doing fuel hoses.
Yeah, that's what I was like. I'll just wait a minute. Cheers, brother.
What's the Juco, bud? I got him done decked her, bud. It's been a while since I've pulled the old RB out, eh?
We got some big blocks.
Hang on.
Oh, hello, baby.
Thank you.
What did you call it?
You dickhead, not you. I meant the baby fucker.
880077, brother.
I remember I was working with this bloke. His name was Singh Gagandy.
No way.
Yeah, God, there's fairly pretty common name, eh? And he went to India for like 3 months.
Big lovely thing,
Big
gag and dick.
Oh, my best mate, or one of my best mates, was going to once, and he said,
I got it.
I'm not sure I understand.
Kiss your Siri.
"Bust your teeth."
Bust your teeth.
Oh, stinking. I don't know where I put
Oh, the old slippery cow shot. Can you get me a big rag, please? Just so I can ball it up. Thanks. That's a trap for young players, hitting that bloody, what's it called? A little yoke bit on the ground. I don't know what it's called, the little flange on the end of on the front of the tail shaft. You bang that on the ground. I did that once on my 33, and there was a noise that I couldn't figure out for years. It was like ting 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 ting. It was that because I bent it a little bit.
To that.
Shut up.
How did you further come?
Hey? No, like it fell out of the gearbox and just hit the ground. And obviously I didn't think anything of it at the time.
No, that's a space peanut.
Shut up for a second, I'm trying to do a video, bud. So don't hit that bit on the ground because it goes out of shape and makes noises and does annoying stuff. Ask me how I know.
How do you know?
Because I did it.
Siri here.
Siri,
I can help.
how many times have I told you? Alright, can't remember what's under there, but I'm pretty sure I got
Is this
everything.
a new filter?
Brand new, man.
Why'd you put a new one on?
Because I didn't want shit getting in there while I cut the other one open. It was $16.
$10.
Don't sweat it.
SRs are $9, mate.
Yeah, I know. How much the filters? That was the engine mount. That's how loose it was. Yeah, so I'll get that half out, undo that bottom hose, and it should be good to go, eh?
I didn't get it. Did you
Shut
try
up,
again?
Siri. No one asked you. Leave it on if it's going to be a cunt. Rule number 1, always put your axle stands wider than the engine crane, because there's nothing worse than that, eh?
Or skinnier than the engine crane.
Yeah, one of the two.
Yep.
Watch that clutch master too, that manifold's pretty close. Yeah, that moved a bit.
I feel like such a backyard mechanic right now.
That's literally what we're doing.
Cigarette hanging out now.
Oh, in a backyard?
Would y'all say you're here for an oil change?
I'll just get this engine mount out of the way.
There's your problem right there.
Too much torque, twisted the chassis off the line, eh?
Pull it forward.
What's that hitting? What do you mean?
Can you take that drain off?
What drain? Oh yeah.
You're gonna run a dry sump.
I wish. No, it's got a head drain and I need to run like a vent to the catch can. Because I think the crankcase pressure in this line is stopping it from draining. So if I run another one to equalise it.
Jesus, that was definitely holding me wrong.
Yeah, like the crankcase.
Side cutters. Sorry, I'm listening to you.
Like into there.
Yeah.
So the crankcase can breathe into there, out the filter, and it's also pressurising this so the drain actually works, not just going up the easiest route.
Keep coming.
Just watch the back there, because I don't want...
Yeah, well, it's clear there, but yep, come up a touch more.
Oh yeah.
Just got to clear over that. Okay. Now,
Now's the bit where you got to come out and up and out and up and out and up.
yep, now before we go any further, do a visual check on that side, just make sure everything's undone.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is, but
Yeah, just double check. Sweet.
it should be alright to come out now.
Righto, can you hold that? I just got the dump pipe on this side, so worst case we'll have to take that off, but
Is it V-band or?
yeah, I think so. Just twist the motor to you a bit. Yep.
Yeah, you might have to go up a touch.
Oh, I've got plenty of room.
Yeah.
I'll just take this exhaust off. Nope.
What size is it?
Not 14.
Some WD-40 there too if you need it.
Yeah, it's all good, I got it. It's probably going to be loud noises. Oh, it's actually pretty well made.
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
Ready? Oh. One of those leveler things would be sick, eh? Like
Yeah.
the-
The, fuck, what's it called? Spreader bar.
yeah. This is stuck on something. Stuck on a crack. Backyard stuff. Do you want to come up a bit more, or can you leave it that?
Well, this is leaking out with oil, so I've got my finger over it.
Oh, sorry.
No.
It's like an artery.
Like a glove or something.
Can you put this on it?
Actually.
Just loop it. Righto.
2 seconds.
Do you want me to go up, or can you swing that over? Ready?
Yep. We got no excuse in this.
Safety third.
You're going to send the motor off to get built?
No.
You're going to do it yourself?
If it's just bearings, I will.
Can you slide that trolley under it?
Yeah. Ready?
2 seconds.
It's coming. Just go up on the crane a little bit.
What's your mic? Yeah, go up. 100%. Just get it. There we go. Alright.
Sweet. Do you want to pull yours out?
That motor's sitting relatively
Yeah, it's
square
good.
on there?
Yep.
Okay. Right, bearing noisy as well, is it?
Yeah. I want to see what pistons and stuff are in it. It still looks new. Yeah, it looks brand new still.
I just wiped all that down though.
Oh, okay. Still, like all the screws and shit will look good.
There's some mighty fine screws.
I'll rip this clutch off and probably the rear main, eh? So we can put it on the stand.
Yeah. Yeah, you might just have to wait till tomorrow morning and get some bolts.
Yeah.
Chuck it on the stand. I mean, at least we got the motor out anyway.
Yeah. Coming down.
Fuck, I'm quite surprised how quick we got this engine out though.
I told you, mate. RB. That was actually. I thought it took a while.
I was just banging the 26 in.
It's probably just as bad. I put the gearbox in first.
How are you gonna get the engine crane in?
I'm hoping it should be wide enough. Is it not? Probably not.
Hold on, let's think about this for a second. Just chuck the tyre out there, drop the motor where it is, and chuck something over the motor tonight.
Yeah, right.
Because you're going to put it on a stand tomorrow.
Yeah, I got that top.
Yeah. Are you happy to do that, you reckon? Or?
Yeah, that's all good.
But at least we can just push the gearbox in and shit through, like.
I'm surprised how easy that gearbox came off. I'm surprised the fingers aren't worse on the clutch, to be honest, from how much that bearing's been. All good? Just get the front of the tyre like under this bit, because I think...
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Alright, come down slowly, ready?
Yep.
Fuck it, I'll just leave it.
Yeah, just let it support it a little bit, but as long as... If you want to... I don't think that's going to go anywhere.
Yeah, I'll take it right off and cover it right up, just because the cam covers it off it.
Stop. Back here, little fuck.
And we'll just wheel the crane back over the bottoms. Chuck that on top and I'll put the crane either side of the...
Sweet. Should you even be walking around without this?
Yeah, just put my headlights on.
Off the trolleys,
Righto, that's the end of the second video. Next one should be a little bit more interesting just because that's when I am pulling the motor down and assessing the damage pretty much. Trying to just do one video a week, so should be up in a week. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it.